student. I welcome you all to Supreme Success Online Lecture. Today, the subject I'm here to teach, as you all know, is economics. So, and I will be introducing you to a very interesting topic, which is theory of cost. Theory of cost. For goods and services to be produced, the four factors of production must be taken into consideration. That is land, labor, capital, and entrepreneur. So these four factors of production must work together for goods and services to be produced. So what this means is that the cost of production may be defined as the sum total of all the four factors of production: land, labor, capital, and entrepreneur, used in the production of goods and services. So the next thing I'm going to discuss here is the basic concept of cost. That is basic concept of basic cost concepts. Basic cost concept. So basic cost concept. So under the basic cost concept, I'm going to discuss fixed cost. I'm going to discuss variable cost. The second one. The third one, I'm going to discuss total cost. The fourth one, I'm going to discuss average cost. The fifth one, I'm going to discuss average variable cost. The sixth one, I'm going to discuss average fixed cost. Then the last one, I'm going to discuss marginal cost. So the first one, which is fixed cost. Fixed cost is the cost that will always remain unchanged irrespective of the level of output. Please take this thing clear. If the output increase, the cost will still remain unchanged. And if the output decrease, the cost will always remain unchanged. So, for example of fixed cost is the cost of land, the cost of building, the cost of plant and machinery, the cost of equipment. The formula for fixed cost is equal to fixed cost equals to total cost minus variable cost. And at the same time, we can also introduce another formula for fixed cost, which is fixed cost equals to AFC, average fixed cost, multiplied by quantity. That quantity represents the output produced. The second one, which is variable cost. Variable cost is the cost that will always vary with the level of output. If the level of output increase, the variable cost will also increase. And if the output decrease, the variable cost will also decrease. So, example of variable cost is cost of raw materials, cost of labor, cost of fuel, etc. So the formula for variable cost, is variable cost equals to total cost minus fixed cost. Remember, at the same time, we can also introduce, so at the same time, variable cost, remember, it will always vary. You can see the diagram. It will always vary irrespective of the level of it will always vary with the level of output. That is, when the output increases, variable cost will always increase, and when the output decreases, variable cost will also decrease. So the third one, which is total cost. The total cost is just the combination of fixed cost and variable cost. So what that means is that the total cost is the addition of both variable cost and the fixed cost incurred in the production of goods and services. So this is the graphical representation of a total cost. Total cost, as in the formula, is equal to fixed cost plus variable cost. Remember, total cost can also have this particular formula. Total cost can also have this particular formula, which is total cost equals to average cost multiplied by output. Total cost equals to average cost multiplied by output. Remember, this average cost, we can also call it average total cost. So the next one, which is average cost. Average cost is the cost per unit of output. The cost per unit of output is known as average cost. So the formula for average cost is AC equals to TC, that is total cost, divided by, let's say, total quantity, that is TQ, which is total quantity. At the same time, we can also remember average cost can also mean average total cost. So at the same time, we can also see total cost and the average cost as ATC, as another formula, equals to AFC plus AVC. So these are the two formulas for average cost. The fifth one, which is average variable cost. This average variable cost is the cost per unit of variable output. That is, we want to know the average cost per unit of variable output. And this is the graphical representation of average variable cost, which we abbreviate to be AVC. So what this means is, in essence, is that average variable cost, AVC, equals to total variable cost divided by total quantity, or quantity, anyone you feel like using it. And at the same time, AVC, the second formula, is equals to total variable cost minus total fixed cost. That is, average variable cost equals to total variable cost minus total fixed cost. And the sixth one, which is average fixed cost, we abbreviate it to be AFC. And this is the graphical representation of average fixed cost. So the formula for average fixed cost is defined as the cost per unit of fixed output. That is, we want to know the average cost per fixed output. So the formula for average fixed cost is AFC equals to, we can say, total fixed cost divided by total quantity, or AFC equals to total cost, or let me say average total cost minus average variable cost. Average variable cost. So the last one, which is marginal cost. This marginal cost, that is, when we say marginal, we are trying to produce extra. For example, we are trying to increase our production by, let me say, 1 unit. So what marginal cost is talking about is the additional cost of producing additional units of a particular commodity. So what this means in essence is that, let me introduce a very simple example. A farmer produces 10 units, or let me say 10 tubers of yam at a cost of 10 tubers of yam, 10 tubers at a cost of 1,000 naira. 1,000 naira. So the farmer now decides to produce one more unit. And when he decides to produce one more unit, he realizes that the additional cost of producing one more unit is, let me say, 150 naira. So the whole cost will now become 1,150 naira. So what marginal cost is now saying is that the cost of producing this additional unit is marginal cost. That is, this 150 naira is the additional cost of producing additional units. Marginal cost is now equals to change in total cost. This is the sign for change in economics. Change in total cost over change in output. That is change in output. Change in TC, that is change in total cost, over change in Q, which represents output. And that is the formula for marginal cost. Ladies and gentlemen, I believe you enjoyed this lecture. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks.